Hello, I just got Iridescent Boy's second photo book and DVD today, so let's see what's inside. This is the dust bag, everything is inside. I really like it. It was so real. It's the title of the photo book and DVD. I always bought Iridescent Boy goods because they are my favorite fan site of Sehun. Okay, I think this is L holder. Mini poster. Poster number 1, I think. Poster number 2. This is, I like this small. Okay, sorry. Move on to the other goods. This is the photo card. I was expecting a thin case actually, but it's okay because eBay gives more photo card this time. Thanks a lot. I think this is in Russia, right? Kazan? Wow. Derp Sehun, still derp, derp, derp. This is cute. Choo choo choo. This is from the ski resort. Holland Sport. The first time he styled it down. Old. I think I miss his blonde hair, but I don't mind his darker hair. Cute. No, you don't have to. Sehun Bieber. Happy Cam. Sexy. I don't like this hair and this hair. Oh, this cutie. Then we have electromagnet. We have 2. I like this one. Peter Pan. This is, I think, Rilakuma. Pinku Pinku. Then we have the Uchiwa. This is a lot smaller than the previous Uchiwa, but it's okay because this time we have handsome Sehun. I think this is the mini photo book. This is from way mama era. I always like this one. Hunhan. So handsome. Yay! I'm sorry, Jongdae. Sorry. Look. Okay. And we have the DVD tracklist, the DVD itself, and move on to the photo book. This is quite thick. It was so real. Iridescent Boy, the second photo book. Backside. I really like this cover because it's waterproof. I don't need to wrap it anymore with plastic. Okay, I won't open all, just a little preview. Oops, yes. Did you see what I see? Whoa. I think most of the photos are from Wolf or Wolf era. Since it's the second photo book. Boa Unir, I envy you. More closer, more than inspiration. Oh, with the kids, so cute. Sehun Bieber. Look the way he eats. Drill boy on the road. On the world, sorry. Oh, this is from all TLP. Cute to Jongdae. I think this is very beautiful. Okay, that's it. Sorry if it's short. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.